Right. I turned off the light just to show you something. This was how the room looked like. And it was even darker than this because the door, the main door, closed by English.
What about this one up here then?
That was the only source
Of light.
light and the ventilation.
Wow.
They were fed twice a day, morning and then evening. In a rusty chains and shackles, day and night, and then also at all times, okay, where they were captured, when they were here in the ship, and then other places, so that nobody could escape. Over here, those who decided to fight for their freedom, the masters were anointed, captured those ones, and they kept them in that room. Please, let's all. All right. British used Africans to build the whole house. But then it took them over 60 good years before completion. Some of the building materials were imported. About 2 million crimson bricks imported all the way from UK. And the British again, they went to Barbados for some time. But at that time, the coast here was rocky. Okay, there was an outcrop of rocks. So they blasted and they quarried these rocks. They also discovered seashells on the way to Elmina, not far from here. The shells, very good material for making lime. Okay, so that was what they used as their binding. So no cement and no iron rod. It's full of stones, bent bricks, lime, seashells, and other volcanic debris. The lime, which is the calcium carbonate, when it comes into contact with moisture and the air, it oxidizes, okay? And then the more the air blows over it, the more oxidation takes place, the stronger the building becomes. So you've not done much renovation here. And it's also one of the reasons why this castle is still on the list of UNESCO's World Heritage Site. They use free labor from this continent to build here all their houses. It was built in phases. Then only in this room, about 200 men also crammed from different tribes. Later, British went to the southern part of Nigeria, down to the south, to Angola, along the coast. They captured some, brought all here, before shipping this to walk away. So here was, the headquarters for the British trading activities in the West Coast. And it's also one of the biggest slave-holding castles in the world, which we are all not proud of. Urinating, defecating, they slept here. See, down here was their urinal. Yeah, it passed round and round, and it enters the sea. That's one point. Let me show you another terrible example. See, on the wall, you see some letters. It's all around the wall. There was an excavation in this particular room in 1974. One of their research findings in this room was that from this level here up to this ground was platform of human waste.